Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting what staff need, your exact username, ban timestamp, and the stated reason. Once done, export clear screenshots and chat logs with timestamps so nothing is ambiguous. Next, make sure to read the appeal rules for that server. Some require a 48-72-hour wait or a specific form field. Act now so your appeal is complete. Incomplete appeals get ignored. This prepares you to submit a concise, credible request rather than guessing at details. You write the appeal with calm clarity. State the ban reason, explain what happened, and outline concrete steps you'll take to avoid repeats. Use the server's exact template and keep your tone respectful. Staff respond to accountability, not anger. Once complete, attach labeled evidence files and cite timestamps and staff names where possible. Make sure to proofread and submit through the official channel. Appeals posted elsewhere are easily overlooked. Then wait patiently for staff to review rather than. After submission, monitor the official channel and respond promptly if staff ask questions. Do not flood them. If your appeal is denied, ask for precise reasons and what evidence or behavior would change their mind. Then follow that guidance before reappealing. Make sure not to use alternate accounts to bypass the ban, as that can worsen the situation. If problems persist, escalate calmly to senior moderators with new, verifiable evidence and documented steps you've taken to improve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.